Annamarie, one of your Westerville librarians, so excited to share a wonderful school and friendship story with all of you. This is A Place at the Table by Saadia, Faruqi, and Laura Shovan, perfect for grades 4, 5, and 6. Sara doesn't like her new public middle school. She is one of the only Pakistani American kids there, and it is nothing like her small, private, religious elementary school. Sara doesn't really have any friends at her new school. Her teachers can't be bothered to pronounce her name right, and now her mom will be at school all the time, leading the new South Asian cooking club. Sara just wants her parents to support her passion for art, her mom to care about and pass her U.S. citizenship test, and, well, should like to make a new friend or two. Elizabeth has convinced her best friend Maddie to join the new South Asian cooking club. Elizabeth is thrilled to learn to cook, especially since Elizabeth's mom is dealing with depression ever since Elizabeth's grandmother died last year. Elizabeth hopes that maybe some new recipes will inspire her mom to care about anything, but especially Elizabeth's commitments at synagogue, her mom's U.S. citizenship test, and maybe making a home-cooked meal every once in a while. It would also be nice if all of this could inspire her dad to be around a little bit more too. Sara and Elizabeth aren't friends exactly, but when Elizabeth needs a new cooking partner, Sara steps in to make sure her mom's class is a success. The two gradually realize they have more in common than they first thought, starting with their shared need to make their moms take the U.S. citizenship test seriously. And soon, the two are creating a dish for the upcoming cross-cultural cooking competition, and maybe even becoming friends. Find out how Sara and Elizabeth's story and friendship play out in A Place at the Table as a physical book or ebook with your Westerville Library card.